Okay guys, in this video we're going to take a look at customizing our navigation or our menus, and this is how people are going to kind of get around in your store. So first of all, we need to come across to online store and then navigation. Now we already have a footer and a header menu created, so all we need to do is go in and edit these. Now you can add more menus if you want to. For instance, you could add an extra one in your footer menu if you wanted more links to the About Us page or anything like that. But feel free to go ahead and create those if you want to, but we don't really need millions of menus. 2 header and footer is plenty enough. So first of all, let's go into the main menu here and let's pop open our store, and we'll be able to see here. So at the moment we've got home and catalog. Home obviously takes us back to the home page. Catalog is set to bring up all products, so any products you've got, if they click that catalog link at the moment, it's going to just take them straight to all products, which is absolutely fine. We can leave that. We can reorder these by dragging them up and down like this, and then I'm going to show you how we can make sub. Let's try and drag that one up. Kind of sub menu, which means when we go over here and hover, it's going to give us a drop down menu. So for instance, for catalog, I would, you can leave this same. Of course, this is the American spelling. You can change that to the English spelling. You could call it products or something like that, entirely up to you. But what we're going to do is add a menu item. Here, the link, you can add a name and a link. If you click link first, it will automatically pre-populate the words. So I've forgotten what I was going to do. Oh yeah, catalog. So here we're going to go to collections, and we're going to go canvas prints, and we're going to click add like that. Okay, so now we can drag this up and we can drag it in a little bit, and you can, I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's that little black round blue circle there is slightly in. Now if I click save here and refresh this page, this catalog now, okay, let's just pop this open. This catalog should have a drop down menu. Oh, there you go, just took a minute. So you see you got that little arrow there. Now if I click that, canvas prints comes up. So we could have canvas prints, we could have mugs, t-shirts, framed prints, poster prints, whatever you're printing on will be there. So remember, you need to have already created the collection as well, but when we click that, that takes us straight to our canvas print collection where we made the collection. Okay, so you can add as many of those as you want. Let's just add another one, and we will just name this whoops, frame prints, just so you see. So although it actually goes to the canvas print collection, I've called it frame prints just so you can see how it builds out. Another one we're going to want to do is our contact us, which was a page. Contact us, click add like that, and then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to call this one services. I'm going to go to pages, roof inspections, but I'm going to rename this services. Okay, when you do like a main here, this is a main option, and then we got the drop down. For your main one, you have to have a link in there. So for services, I chose roof inspections, but then I'm going to do another one down here. Oops. I'm going to go to pages, roof inspections. Now remember, I've only got one page in here at the moment, but you should have, or depending on what you want to do, you may have all of your services you offer there in pages. Click add there like that, and then I'm going to drag this one up, and I'm going to make this a sub menu there under services. I'm going to drag contact us down, right down to the bottom if I can. It's a little bit glitchy. Let's check that one up, services. Okay. Now, something else which is extremely powerful is to add a phone number up here. So we're going to add a new one, and we're going to use our contact us page. So if someone clicks it, it's going to go to contact us. Okay, but for the words, we're just going to put free phone. Oops. Free phone. Oh dear. 0800, which is the dialing code for 3 numbers in England. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then click add. Now let's save that and see how this is shaping up. Let's go back home. Okay, so now you can see this menu is starting to take shape. This is looking more and more like a normal website. Catalog, canvas prints, frame prints, whatever else you might want to add down there. So this is where you're going to have all your collections. Services, this is where you're going to have all your pages. Contact us, this is where people are going to be able to get hold of you, and then they'll see this free phone number. Now I'll do another video on free phone numbers, but it's a very, very powerful thing to have that number. Okay, whacking your mobile phone number up there or a Gmail doesn't look very professional. Free phone number doesn't cost anything to the user. It shows them that there's a person on the other end of the telephone. It's very, 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 very powerful, because a lot of the people that see your website, it's going to be the first time they've seen it. They don't know you. There's a lot of unscrupulous things that goes on online, so they want to know that they can phone up, check on their order or whatever. So free phone number, that's how you can do it. That's how you can show it up in your menu. So that's our main menu. Now let's skip back to our footer menu here. So in our footer menu, we don't really want search. We want our policies. So we want our privacy policy. We want our... Oh, I did privacy. Damn. We want our terms of service. Huh? Just get rid of that. Sorry, guys. We want our terms of service, and we want our refund policy. Okay, again, refund policy is also, I'm going to get rid of that search. I don't like having that. Refund policy, also very powerful when you're trying to sell things to people. They want to know that when they take that risk that they are going to get their money back if they need to. Most people are honest enough about it. You get the odd person that will try and screw you, but 99% of people are honest, and they'll only use that in a genuine situation. So let's just give this a second. Hopefully this is going to hurry up and kick in. I did click save. Okay, here we go. So you can see actually it's gone long ways like that, which doesn't look very good at all. So let's quickly go back to our online store. Let's customize our theme. Let's go to the footer settings and let us add some more content. So let's go text there, and that puts these back in a line. So I'd recommend that you do have 3. Let's see if we can just remove this center one. Let's see if we can remove this but keep it in there. So there we go. Let's hit save. So there we go. So there is something that I just learned myself. I mean, I usually have more information down here as well, but if you have got less information and these links spread out long ways, you can add a text block in there and just remove the text, so it just puts a space in there. Let's just go back to our main dashboard, pop this open. Hopefully everything's kicked into gear. Let's scroll down. Let's click our privacy policy. Boom, there is our privacy policy. Terms of service. Boom, there's our terms of service. Refund policy. Boom, there's our refund policy. Remember, you would have read through all this and you would have made it apply to yourself and your own conditions. Contact us. You see, things are really taking shape now. They can submit a support ticket. They can get hold of us online. Okay, so remember, all the time you can add, progress, update, refine, make it better. back to home. Yep, everything's looking pretty good, even though I've just basically thrown this together. So I think that covers it for navigation. Like I say, pretty much you only need 2. You could possibly, if you really wanted to get fancy, you could have another one here. You could have a few more options. Remember, you can make as many pages and collections as you want. And this, once you've made your pages and your collections, here's where you're going to be adding them for people to find them and browse around. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to talk a little bit about logos, just sort of some things to be aware of and ways to go around it if you don't already have one. Okay. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.